Jesus.
Just Andy. You left your door unlocked. Mind if I grab some food?
You scared the shit out of me. What the hell are you doing here anyway?
Man, you need to get more food. Starting to get sick of corn nuts. You need to ask why I'm here? Fire the TV. Whoa. It's an upgrade.
Yeah, the old one just broke.
Dude, what the hell is this shit? You watching the Lifetime channel?
Yeah, I was about to tell you that. I was watching TV earlier and just it turned off, and I tried turning it back on, it wouldn't work. So I take it out to the trash. I'm like, whatever, about throw it away, and I see this just sitting there. So I bring it back up, and yeah, I mean, what do you know? It works.
Right. So why is this crap on the screen?
Let me finish the story, Mr. Underpants. Anyway, that is what I saw going on when I took out the old TV. I saw that exact guy standing there.
Is he still out there, man? No, maybe somebody hooked up a camera, like wirelessly, like the ones at 7-Eleven.
But see, I went out there to check, and he was gone. Teddy bear and all.
Sounds like an episode of Unsolved Mysteries I saw last night. Maybe somebody dragged him away and killed him. And the body was never found.
But seriously, I'm wondering what the fuck's wrong with the TV.
Dude, I'll bet they're just playing a joke on you or something. I heard they got technology with wireless transmitters and shit like that. Man, in this day and age, anything's possible.
Yeah, some elaborate joke.
Yeah, well, while you sit here getting butthurt about some prank, I'm gonna go to Jason's and watch a real TV. Thanks for the corn nuts.
You're not welcome, dick.
It's all your fault, John. You've given him to me because you needed to watch. Keep watching, John, and soon I'll get you too.
Hey Andy, it's John. Why'd you pick up your phone, man? I've been having these weird ass dreams about that TV I told you about. And yeah, man, come on, pick up your phone, you know, I need someone to talk to right now. It's just kind of freaking me out. Anyways, yeah, just give me a call back when you get this. I mean, I need your help right now, man.
John, do you know what that sound is? It's the sound of trap souls. And you are going to get them from me. Just change the channel. Hello, John. Why don't you stand up, John? Good. You're learning quickly, John. Now why don't you get the remote? Good. Change the channel, John. You've already seen this. Why don't I show you something? Sit down, John. Now turn the channel. It's your friend, John. You'll never see him again. Change it, John. You'll never have change.
Need some change.
Again. The game that can't be won. Again, John. You'll gaze into the sky for eternity, John. Now that you've done what I've asked, John, I'm going to take something of you. I need you, John. Hello, John.